Sometimes we don't need to go far to find peace, but just one mountain, one trail, and people who makes the journey worth it, goods na ang tanan. Life becomes happy when you walk with friends who share the same, loving and caring for the nature. Morning, Station of the Cross. This is our third hiking journey with my wife. This time, we found beauty, laughter, friendship, and a little pain at Mount Pangilatan Peak. We started the 5-kilometer trail with energy and excitement. Together with my wife and friend, Miss Joy Joy, Miss Shena, and Miss Jasmine. We know that this is another memorable hike experience for us. Sa sinugdanan pa lang, sige na mi og pangatawa ug istorya. Murag wala aray kakapoy nga mabati. Pero hangak na gamay kay subida na ang dalan. The trail was started in steeper and our legs felt heavier, but we just kept going one step at a time. Sometimes it is not the mountain that tests you, but your own will to keep moving. Bisag kapoy, sige lang migihapon po og padayon. Kay mauman yun na ang essence of hiking. Dili lang physical, kundi emotional journey pod. Finally, we reached the mountain peak. Everything went silent, the air was cool, and the view was breathtaking. Mura migihag sa hangin sa among mga pagbati. Kalma kaayo ang panahon, lami ra kaayo magpahuway ug magpasalamat sa kahitasan. In this moment, all the tiredness are disappeared. What left was peace, joy, and gratitude in our heart. Sometimes, simple moments reminded us that life does not need to be perfect in order to be beautiful. You only need just a simple bonding and laughter with your friends. Friendship is not measured by time, but by the memories you build together. Dinhi sa bukid, you can truly feel the presence of God through the cold wind, the whisper of the trees, and the calm of the mountain. The nature reminds us that we are only the traveler in this world. Sa matag lakang, sa matag katawa, ug bisan sa kakapoy na biyahe, we realize that friendship turns ordinary moments into beautiful memories. Nature and friendship was created to teach us to love, humility, and connection. Because friendship, like the mountain, will stand strong through time, and the nature is like a God that will forever embrace us. And as we walk down from the mountain, ning balik nami sa among panimalay, our hearts was filled with joy. Each of us was carried beautiful experiences, memories of laughter, struggles, and the beauty that only friendship and nature can bring us together. If you have experienced moment like this, mention your true friend here in the comment section para makahibalo siya nga special friend siya nimo. And thank you for watching on this video. And see you again in our next mountain trail adventure. Goodbye.